guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add effects to a person in CapCut. So it is called the body effects. So usually we just have normal video effects, but we're just going to go to effects and click on body effects, and this is like my favorite one, the heart background. But make sure if you do that, like your um your body is like separated with the background, sort of like this. For instance, you have like a green screen, or like the background of your video is white, so it is easier to separate it. There's just a lot to choose from. There is these hands one, emotions one, even like this image one. So we can, like, as you can see, it adds like this head emoji on this person. There's also surroundings, decorations. Oh yeah, I like this one the best. The heart one, and also I like the butterfly wings too. I think it's pretty cool, as you can see. Yeah. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!